Alright, this is your first assignment as a beginner on Pixellab graphics. So we're going to create a basic design, how to insert your text, how to insert your image, and how to insert your shape. So let's start. Open your app. When you open your app, this is the layer you are going to get. This is the first thing you are going to get. So I always to first of all delete this. To delete it, you click here. Come in, you click here. Once you highlight it, you click there. Confirm. Another way of deleting it is like this. You click here. You click on this text, on this A. Click on that A. Then click on delete. It will delete. This is another way. So one thing about Pixellab have everything. It has two functions. It has two alternatives to do a particular thing. Now, for instance, you maybe want to insert a shape. Another way to insert a shape is either you come here, is either you click here on this plus here. Once you click on that plus, you see shape. You see shape. You click on shape. Then if you need circle, there are many ways to get all these things. You click here. Maybe your shape is circle, you click on this place. Once you click, these are different shapes. It has 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. Okay, it has even 22. Okay, 22 shape. Then that is this thing. So what I need, another way to create a shape by yourself is to use radius. If it's circle that you need, you use radius to create it by shifting it, by adjusting. See, anyone I want to do so by adjusting it. So maybe I said I need a circle shape. So you getting me? Then this background that is showing green, I always teach my students, if you are designing, change it to pure white. So to do that, click here. Click here. Once you click there, that is to start afresh. Now click there, everything now is white. So insert shape. You remember how to insert shape? Go to shape. I need circle. Change it. And click OK. Then you need to add color to the shape. To add color, click here. Come in to add color. To add color, click here. The center. Click on that center. This thing here. Here now, click on it. So you look for color. This is color. Click here. This is color. Click on color. On it, on the check. So it will come up on the color you need, depending on color you need. So to me, the color I want to work with now is this color here. I have to use it and work. So this shape, I increase it. So now when you come to each object or shape has 3 control. Now we have one. We have 1, 2. Okay, it has 4, 3, and 4. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. I come again. It has. This is rotate. This is adjust. This is adjust. This is increase and decrease. Are you getting me? I come again. This is rotate. This is adjust. This is adjust. This is increase. Are you getting me? So now look at how it works. If you are using this, you are rotating it like this. You are rotating your shape. If you are using this, you are adjusting. You are adjusting. Are you getting me? You are adjusting. If you are using this big one, you are resizing. You are resizing. So another alternative way of doing this resizing is you go here. What you need to do is resizing. You go to relative size here. You go to relative size. Remember, it has manual. This is relative size. The same thing, resizing. Okay. Another way again is if it's maybe you want to give it off shape. You want to give it off shape, so that will be on pro level. So share, not now. So that is it. So I now place this. What do I want to do now? What am I planning to design? Okay, I want to design. I place this here. Now this is how to insert your shape. Then how to insert text. Click here. Click here. Click on this A. And click on it. You see text. You will see text. Look at text here. I'm seeing text here. You click on that plus text. It will automatically appear here. Then anytime your text appear on top of here, bring it to the center, to the middle, so that you can have a full control of it. Now another way of inserting text is like this too. You click on this plus. Remember I told you that everything has double alternative. You click on this plus. You see text. Click on text. The same thing. Isn't it? So I'm deleting one now. I'm deleting one. So that is how to insert text. Then what do I write here now? What do I write? What am I gonna design now? What am I writing here? Okay, let's say section 1. Section. Okay, let's say sections. Now I need to insert another text. Maybe I want to create something different. Sections. Section available. Okay, that is sections available. Let me add X. Let me add X. Now, if you want to re-edit your text, all you need to do is either you double tap on that particular text. Let's say bam bam. You double tap, it will open, or you go here, you look down here. Make sure that anytime you are, listen carefully, anytime you are working with text, I want you to listen now. Anytime you are working on text, let this A, this alphabet here, let this is called text tools. Make sure that your text tools is checked. Anytime you're working on anything text, make sure that your text tools is checked. That is the A sign is checked. It's showing blue. Make sure that is to show that you are working on what? On your text. Now, anytime you are working on shape, now you see now is on A. I can't design anything on shape. I can't do anything on shape. But if I want to work on shape, look at what I will do. You will make sure that the center one, that is the shape tool. That is the shape tool is checked too. Is showing this thing blue. Now you see this is A, this is 2, this is alpha text, this is subject. Now if you want to work on background, on the background, the last one being this one, the last one, this one. If you want to work on background of your template, of your background, that is your layer. That is if you want to work on your background. That is it. But I'm not working anything on background, so that is it. So this thing is very, very important. So let me say available sections. Now another thing is alignment. There's something called alignment. Alignment is very, very important. Alignment is very, very important. Now this is it. Make sure that you align depending on what you want to do. Okay, let me use center alignment. This is called center alignment. This is called left alignment. This is right alignment. Center alignment, left alignment, right alignment. So I'm using center alignment. Center alignment can also be like this: center alignment, left alignment, right alignment. So I'm using available sections. Come in, insert image. Now if you want to insert your image, you go here, go to this place, to the plus, click on it, go to from gallery, from gallery. Now I don't know image I'm using. I don't know what I'm even designing, but we'll do something. Okay, this person has background, so I'm going to teach you people how to remove background. But in this particular one, I will not remove background now. I'll just push it because it's white, so it tallies with this thing. Available sections. Now look at one thing about image. Look at this image and this shape. It has the same thing. So look at what I'll do. I will adjust this to her head because I'm trying to create a graphic design that is attractive. Okay, that's it here. Now to duplicate this image, I want to duplicate the image. All you need to do is look at copy. You click on copy. Click on that copy. to duplicate. I'll duplicate it. Reduce opacity. Look at this now. On that same I am listening to, I go to opacity, I reduce it, I copy it again, I put one here. Available sections. Every Fridays, sorry, every Saturdays. Now, how to add color to your text. Available section. So this section is the key point. So I need to change the color. That is, remember my alphabet tool, my text tools is checked, so I'll need to go to color and click on color. Now choose, remember my primary color is this, so I go to my primary color and use it. So automatically I've done a simple graphic design. So this will be your first assignment for today.